Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to create your own IRC server daemon. So the first thing you want to do is go to a website called unrealircd.org, and this website has a custom source for your own IRC server. So you want to go to download, and then you want to go to 4.0 stable, press select branch, and press win plus SSL. And it says start download. You can download it, Unreal IRCD here. You click on it, and starting up. I already have it installed, so it's going to pop up as one, but you wouldn't see that. And I'm going to rerun it. I uninstalled it from my system because I was having a little bit of bugs, and I made a backup folder, but it should be fine now. And hard drives are not fun because I have to wait here while it finalizes the file. There we go, and let's run. Next, I accept. Next. Everything is fine here. Leave everything as is, and let it extract. And now it's gonna make us. So you want to get rid of everything except for the run make cert.bat, and this is gonna create a SSL certificate for your IRC server, so it's trusted. So normally you would put real information here, but I'll put fake information. City. IRC geeks, IRC daemon, full domain, irc.fake.gov, and there we go. So now that's done. We have a new icon on our desktop called Unreal IRCD, and we're going to just double click that, and it's going to pop up a configuration error. Now this is because there is no configuration file for server, which we have to go make now. So what you want to do is right click the icon, open file location, scroll up, conf, examples, and we just want to cut and paste it into the directory above. So we want to put it back into the conf folder and rename it to unrealircd.conf. And this is going to be your configuration file with all your server hosting options. It's loading the other one I had. So this is going to be a different one. Yep. So here we're going to want to put anything. So what your domain is. This isn't meant to be actually hooked up to a server. This is just a tutorial to get it running on your own local network. So irc.name.ending is fine. I'm going to put .end info. ER server. In the SID just has to be numbers, so 4941. That's just a server identifier. The admin is this is the nick serve for an admin, so this is going to be admin name. Admin is the username. Admin2 because I don't want to get confused with the actual tag. Admin at name.end. So this would be an email account on your domain. If you do not know how to set up a domain, I'll have a tutorial on that too, but we're not going to be linking that to the server. So we're going to scroll down a bit, and now we're going to go back to the OPER. We're going to change this to admin2, and we're going to change the password to a password. So admin2 is the account you set up before, so it would be up here. So whatever you set to this, and you want to come back down. Actually, I'm just going to put admin. That's what it needs to be. Class opers, and the password is going to be the password. So I'm going to put password for the test. And now we want to go down towards line 378, where it says cloak keys. You can just copy and paste and change a couple of these values. So just want to just copy and paste it onto these, add another ones. And we're going to change it to B and then a C. You want to change these to something completely random, so you can just get a 256 character random string generator and just get rid of the extra characters at the end, and that's perfect. But for now, we're not actually going to do anything, and that should be it. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Actually, yes, I am. I am forgetting. Oops. I'm forgetting to set the email for the key line. So it's right here. You just want to change this to an email address that's real. So admin at admin.name. This doesn't really matter because it's a fake server. So, and now when we start up Unreal IRCD, will actually give us a panel. And so stop, and it's going to look like this. This is Unreal IRCD. And your server is online. As soon as that opens up, your server is online. So now you want to open up your IRC client of choice. So I'll use Addy IRC. You can use MIRC or any other client like Chatzilla or anything. And so we're going to not let that happen. We're going to close that. So now you just want to connect to your server. So it's pretty simple from there. So we're going to add a new network. The blank network name is going to be test video. Add in the server's IP is 127.0.0.1 and the port is 667. And we're just going to save. And we're going to press connect. And we're connected. So now it's going to show channels. And try this window. Yes. So now we have irc.name.end, so wherever you put. And there is no message of the day because there is none. So we're going to make a message of the day. So now you just want to go to here. Oh, there again. You're going to go config conf/irc.message of the day. And here is the very first thing that your user will see. It will say message of the day, and then you'll see. I'll give you an example. So if I wanted to say, welcome to my amazing IRC chats 1337. I'm Dank. Register a nick below. That, and then if I pressed the save and exit out, and then I don't need this window either, and just press rehash all files, rehashing all files. We get a tiny little bit, and we can right click or just disconnect from your server and reconnect. And now it'll say, welcome to my amazing IRC chat. I'm Dank. Register a new nickname below. And you can do the nick serve and all that. So like nick serve. What's my name? Paul, I think. And then password. Actually, no, my email. So it'll be email@email.email. And oh, we haven't created any channel. So the create channel is pretty simple. On mine, you just do /join. If I want to join test, now we're gonna have a channel called test, and in here you can talk and chat and think and troll and DDoS if you have a botnet and scan and all of that shit. So this is definitely not a tutorial on how to create your own botnet, and this is definitely not a tutorial on actually how to make it online. This is not hooking up to a domain, and I'll have a future tutorial on that, but this is just getting a basic IRC chat set up. I have my backup for all my files here, so I didn't get rid of anything. So you usually want to change a lot more than this, but this is basic, as I said. You want to make it so it doesn't say that. You want to change these codes. Most of these are okay. Yeah, and the mode is okay. I would change that myself too. Yeah, so you can just put it to this, whatever you want it to say. And localhost is where it's running on right now because you're hosting it on your own computer. So thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Leave a like if you disliked. I'll see you in the next video.